Today, making money online has become much easier than ever before. Traditional 9-to-5 jobs are becoming more boring, even as more platforms to make money online get introduced to the market. And in this video, we bring you a step-by-step guide of how to make $1,000 of PayPal money in just 20 minutes online. You don't need any special skills to start with this method. It is absolutely free and it is available worldwide. Also, it's simple and convenient. You only need an internet-enabled gadget to get started. Be sure to watch this video till the end because if you skip even a single step, you'll not be able to earn through this method. Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Machine. If you're already enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any suggestions, questions, or concerns, leave a comment down below. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. For this video, we are going to use a site called Buffer to earn. You can visit its website at buffer.com to learn more. But basically, Buffer is a marketing tool that will help you expand your social media network as well as help you achieve authentic engagement. But even still, you can use this website to showcase your brand story and expand your audience. This considering the Buffer can enable you to analyze your social media for performance in simple steps, plan and publish your campaigns, giving you the freedom to focus on what is important. And finally, engage with your customers twice as fast. Due to these capabilities, influencers, businesses, and entrepreneurs have come to trust this tool with the role of maintaining and growing their social media accounts. This website is absolutely legit. As you can see, over 160,000 small businesses globally are using Buffer to build their brand on social media every month, including their major companies like Shopify, Spotify, Food52, DressUp, Huckberry, Burrow, among many more. In addition, Buffer has been in existence for the last 10 years and has managed to serve over 75,000 customers with a social following of 1.2 million and 100,000 monthly blog readers. But if you still hold some doubts about this website, then you can check the testimonial part. You'll be surprised how famous users have praised this website for its efficiency, which has enabled them to grow their businesses. Now, this is enough to show you that this website is credible and you can use it to make money online. Buffer offers several tools with which users can create stunning content, analyze campaigns, track progress, and generate reports. This enables you to have first-hand information that can inform you on future content, helping you improve it for better results. So let's look at how you can start earning using Buffer.com without having to do any hard work. Many people tend to think that Buffer is an affiliate marketing platform and that you'll earn through affiliate marketing, selling products, and referring clients. However, that is not the case. This is a tool that will help you to build and scale your brand easily by helping you manage your social media accounts and expand organically faster. And that is how we're going to earn our money from Buffer. Regardless of your skills in social media, you can easily maneuver successfully on the Buffer website and start earning good money daily by following the steps which we're about to share with you in this video. It may sound good to be too true, but yes, thousands of people worldwide are using this method to make a huge amount of money without having to do the hard work. Now, if you're already enjoying this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, keep watching till the end to follow through with all the steps on how to make money using this website. Let's now look at the step-by-step guide of making money using Buffer. Now, to get started with this method of making money online, you'll have to visit the Buffer.com website. At the homepage, go ahead and click the Get Started Now icon. This will open up a page for their premium plans. However, you don't have to pay anything yet to get started. You can start absolutely free. Now, if you look at their plans, you'll realize that there's the one that charges $15 a month and enables you to create a maximum of 8 social accounts. But forget about the $15. We're going to start without having to spend even a penny. Maybe you're wondering how that is possible, right? Well, let's get to that and show you how you can begin without any money on your account. So, to crack the secret of having to begin without an upfront payment, you'll have to choose the 14-day trial option and then sign up without a credit card. It is important to note at this point that you're not supposed to give them any of your personal information. Now, with that done, you'll have your account running in just under a minute. With the Buffer trial account running, you can now have social media accounts in here, track their performance by checking analytics, or even create campaigns and assess their performance. Other tasks you can accomplish using this trial account include scheduling posts and track how your goals are accomplished. Therefore, we can simply say that this account will help you to manage your social media accounts, enabling you to grow them naturally. This account is easy to use and you don't need any special skills to operate it. However, if you've no idea on something, No need to worry, since Buffer.com offers numerous tutorials that will guide you step by step on running basically anything within their site. Now that we know the Buffer.com account will help us to manage social media accounts without having to do the hard work, how can we leverage this technique to start earning? Well, all we need now is to find customers or clients who are willing to pay us hundreds of dollars for us to manage their accounts using this easy technique. Now, all you need to get customers is to find freelancing websites like 5Squid, which can be accessed by visiting their website at 5squid.com. This is very similar to Fiverr.com, where freelancers offer their services for pay. When you visit the homepage of 5squid.com, you can see we have so many services listed by freelancers who are searching for clients. For instance, this one here is for social media management and content creator services, and it is selling for $80 on Fiverr. Suppose you choose the $15 monthly plan on Buffer. You can be sure to get a chance to manage a maximum of 8 different accounts without doing anything. Buffer will do the hard work for you once you pay the subscription. This is a good way of making a huge amount of money doing almost nothing. The most interesting thing is that you can even manage more accounts by buying an expensive plan at Buffer.com. But Fiverr is very competitive and has many people offering this service on sale. So, being a beginner in this field will take you longer to get established. However, once established, Fiverr is a great place to earn huge income. Now that Fiverr is very competitive, we're going to consider a completely new and popular freelancing site, and that is 5squid.com. It is suitable because it has few freelancers and receives numerous clients demanding services. This high demand for services and few providers can help you land your first gig faster than on any other freelancing site. But that does not prevent you from exploring other freelancing platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, or People Per Hour. They have millions of clients and freelancers and can get you earning good money once established. Let's look at how you can get started with 5squid.com. The first step is to create an account by clicking the Join Now button at the top right corner of the 5squid.com homepage. This will open a page where you can enter your email address to create your account, or simply create the account using Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is the most preferred as it is the fastest. With your account up and running, you can now create a service to sell by giving it a name. Choosing a pricing plan, then, for our case, select the social media marketing category, then complete the form and you'll have your service on display. Now, once someone buys your service, you simply go to Buffer.com and insert the details of the social media account to be managed, and voila! You'll have Buffer doing the job for you as you wait for the pay. So, that was it for today, guys. Was this video helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to be the first one to know whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.